Okay, today we're going to be multiplying and dividing rational expressions. One thing with these is you cannot cancel across like a top and a top, or a bottom and a bottom. So you can only go like top to bottom, or maybe you can do diagonals from like a 4 and a 16. Another thing, when you're doing these, you can GCF, you can factor, or you can QRF, because your ultimate goal is to cancel out the terms to get the smallest possible equation. After you've canceled out your terms, you want to combine everything that you can. And then when you're doing division, after you have factored, you have to flip and multiply. So for this equation, we factored out with, what's that called again?
Difference of squares.
Yes. Yes. A difference of squares with x and 2 and 2 to get x minus 2 and x plus 2. And then then we canceled. So if you look, we canceled the 4 out of the 16, and you can cancel your x's across diagonally. So then you completely get rid of the 4x, and you get rid of 4 and an x out of the 16x. And then you can cancel diagonally the x plus 2 and the x plus 2, which will give you an answer of x over 4 times x minus 2. Yeah, yeah. There we go.
Good, Allie. Good job.
Sure. Okay, for the next equation, we're multiplying again, and you can factor the x squared minus 25. That's another difference of squares with an x minus 5 and an x plus 5. The bottom is another difference of squares with an x plus 4 and an x minus 4. So when you write that factored out, you can cancel your x plus 5 and your x plus 5 diagonally, and then also diagonally your x plus 4 and your x plus 4, which that will leave you with an x plus 5, x minus 5, and an x minus 4. Ah. No, no. Ah, there we go. Okay. Was that paused the whole time? No, it wasn't. I better not have been paused while I was talking. Okay. So after you've flipped this side over here, as you can see, then you can start to cancel. You can cancel top to bottom the 2y minus 3 right here. You can cancel your 2y plus 3 diagonally. You can cancel top to bottom with your y minus 1, and then last but not least, your y plus 6, which that eventually will just equal a 1 right here. Ta-da!